Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how to change your username on Facebook. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, if you open up our Facebook, then the most common thing one would want to do is go to their settings and then find the option to change their username right here. So the first thing that we see is this one, personal information, but this is actually to change your display name, the name that is displayed. This is not your username is something that is usually put in the Facebook links URL, right? So usually people do not find accounts on Facebook through the URLs because we're just used to searching the names. That is why this option is not actually available on the phone. So that is why this option is only available on the desktop, on PC, laptops, whatever. So I'm just gonna pause the video right here and I'm just gonna continue from the PC. Okay, so alright guys, so we are in our Facebook settings on our PC, and as soon as I pressed settings, the first thing that I'm seeing here is the username. Now this is the username I was talking about. This is the username that goes into the URL, this whole link. So you can press edit and you can just add whatever you want, and if it's available you can change that. So if you do not have a username, you will be asked to enter a new one, or if you want to change, you can just change it to whatever you want, and if it's available, well, you can save the changes. So that is how you can change the username on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.